Welcome to a new tutorial on how to top up your balance in your Unidos Matrix account using the wallet or Web3 option. First, we need to have our preferred wallet connected. In this case, I'm using SafePal as an example. Let's open the wallet, confirm the connection, and then we can go directly to our Unidos Matrix account. We can see that the red button shows our wallet is connected. Next, we open the drop-down menu at the top left, where all the ecosystem functions are located, and select the top-up option. It will then ask us how we want to make the top-up, either with crypto or with wallet. For this example, we'll use wallet. In this example, we're going to top up 9 USDT. Important: top-ups through a decentralized wallet have a 1% fee. If we're going to top up $9, it will charge us 1%, 9.09. And it's the same for any amount. We click on Pay Now. We first open the secure connection to our digital wallet. Then we proceed to click the Agree button and subsequently accept the transaction. Following this, we are automatically redirected to our personalized account dashboard within the Unidos Matrix platform. The transaction will be processing, and once approved through the smart contract, it will automatically be accepted and the balance will already be credited to our accounts. I'm going to refresh. I had a balance of 10 and now I have this available balance to make any purchase within the Unidos Matrix ecosystem for acquiring the NFT collection Evolution of Money.